Hi friends, I am Dr. Pratap Singh Rathod. I have done in MD in Forensic Medicine, and today we'll continue from postmortem changes and discuss the next late change, that is mummification. Mummification, it is a rapid dehydration, desiccation, and shivering of dead body from the evaporation of water with preservation of natural appearance and features of the body. It is a form of modified process of putrefaction. So instead of going body to into putrefaction, that is decomposition of the body, bacterial growth, here mummification in body goes rapid dehydrated or desiccated, and which eventually shriveled up because of evaporation of body and body fluids from the body. Mechanism of mummification. It may be sometimes because of absence of moisture in the air, evaporation body fluids, warmth in the atmosphere, or excess of air movement in the environment are the few mechanisms by which mummification occurs. Commencement, it starts from the exterior to interior. So from the skin, outer skin, it goes to the interior or internal viscera. So first the external skin surface starts drying up, later on the internal viscera starts drying up and desiccating. Skin and muscles becomes dark, leathery, and appears to be adhering to the bones. Internal viscera blend or fuse with each other to form a single solid mass. It is possible that a part may mummify and rest of the body may putrefy. So, part of the body, half of the body may mummify, half of the body may putrefy. Sometimes this may happen in cases like half of the body is exposed to the external atmosphere, atmosphere, and half of the body may be submerged in the water or submerged in the soil. That may lead to partial putrefaction or partial mummification. This is the body of mummified mummification, where body is shriveled, skin is shriveled. We can see the skin is shriveled and adhered to the bones. We can see the bones which are protruding out, and you can clearly see the bony mummification where skin is adhering to the bones, and all the internal viscera also becomes dry up and forms a single modified mass. Characteristics of mummification: body becomes thin, shriveled, dried, and dark brown to black or color. Skin becomes thin, dark, leathery, and adherent to bones. Body emits smell like a rotten cheese. All internal viscera blend with each other. Facial features and injuries are well preserved. Therefore, identification of dead body is possible in these cases. And also, cause of death if in case death is due to injuries are established, can be established. So, facial features are intact, skin surface is also intact. Because of that, identification of the face is possible, as well as cause of death if death is due to injuries can be also be established. Time required for mummification varies from 3 months to 2 years based on the environmental condition and other factors present. If properly preserved, mummified body can remain for years. Mummification here should not be confused with the mummification process done in Egypt. That is totally different. Mummification here is a form of late postmortem change seen in few bodies where body gets shriveled up because of evaporation of body fluids. Factors favoring mummification: one is hot environment like in deserts, dry atmosphere. Mummification cannot occur in humid conditions, only it occurs in dry atmosphere. Where there is free air movements, it helps in rapid evaporation of body fluids. Then, if the body is covered with any absorbing materials, a dead body lying in shallow grave or in dry sandy soil mummifies early due to absorption of body fluids rapidly. In case of poisoning, certain poisoning like arsenic and antimony poisoning favors the process of mummification. Then, medical importance of mummification. Mummification is the surest sign of death. Anatomy of the body can be unknown because of preserved facial features. Cause of death in case of death due to injuries can be known. Since the skin is intact, all the features are intact. Injuries can be known. Time since death can be known approximately. Surroundings of the dead body can be established, where the person had died can be established. These are my references. Thank you.